kung bago ka pala ang sa aking channel, ito, magugulo ang aking mga alaga. Enough! I'm taking video. Okay mga ka-idol, tapos na ang ating indomie. Our indomie spaghetti is finished. So, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe. You can subscribe and click the subscribe. Okay, again. Okay mga ka-idol, ayan, marami tayo ngayong stock ng indomie. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko, magluluto ako ng indomie spaghetti. Ngayon, nagsaute na ako ng onion. Ito, nagsaute na ako ng onion. Susunod ko na ang hotdog. Sunod na ang hotdog. Tapos, isusunod ko ang tomato paste. Then, ang ketchup. Then, ang Maggi. Yan, sunod na yan. Then, lalagyan ko ng konting tubig at asukal. So, let's start na. Ang daming ang stock ng ng indomie, kaya sayang naman, 'di ba? Lutuin na lang natin, tapos kainin na lang natin. Kainin ko na lang. Okay na? Ayun. Wala pa naman akong ginagawa. Tapos na naman ako mamalansya. Hinihintay ko na lang yung plantsahin. So, ayan na. Niluto na tayo. Niluto na natin ang ating sibuyas. I saute the onion. Then next, the hot dog. Put the hot dog. Yeah. Put the hot dog.
Okay guys, 2 option. Pwede nating ilaga muna yung indomie, separate, tapos tsaka natin ilagay sa sauce. Or kung gusto niyo naman, pagsasamahin na lang natin, pagluto na yung sauce, pwede rin natin ilagay yung indomie.
So, I saute that. Then, when the hot dog is cooked, then I put the tomato paste. I put tomato paste. We need to wait to cook the hot dog. Okay guys, now the hot dog is ready. So, we put the tomato paste. We put tomato paste, tomato paste. Yeah. That is tomato paste, So, mix now. Now, the tomato is already mixed. So, put the Maggi. Yeah. Let's put 1 cube of Maggi. Then, mix again. We need to mix that until the Maggi is melt. Okay, the Maggi is melt. Now, let's put the ketchup. Okay, as you can see, that is the ketchup. It's already put. So we mix that. And then let's add water. Let's add water. Water to be boiled. Okay. Then add sugar. The sugar, it's depend on you how sweet that you like. So let's put sugar. Okay guys, I put sugar. you can see, this is a half cup. Yeah, half cup. Then mix again. Okay, mix again. Then we'll taste. Maybe yummy. Okay, I'm not putting salt because we put Maggi whole 1 cube of Maggi, so that is enough, so no need to put salt. Now I add water again for putting the indomie. Put the indomie. We will put now the indomie. Okay, let's put the indomie. Okay guys, I put already now the indomie. See, you can see. Now we put cover. Wow, we put cover now the indomie. Okay, then wait. We will wait until the indomie is cooked. Okay guys, as you can see, okay na ang ating indomie. So, indomie spaghetti. Oh. Parang walang nagbago. There's nothing changed. It's still indomie. Okay everyone, luto na ang ating indomie spaghetti. Sophie, look. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Sarap. Okay mga ka-idol, salamat sa panonood. Kung bago ka pala ang sa aking channel, ito, magugulo ang aking mga alaga. Enough! I'm taking video. Okay mga ka-idol, tapos na ang ating indomie. Our indomie spaghetti is finished. So, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe. You can subscribe and click the subscribe. Okay, again. Okay mga ka-idol, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Salamat sa panonood. Samahan niyo ako patungo sa aking YTT. Thank you!